Kim for Nooie WTI, and I came outside to show you the front porch camera. We did a little bit of a DIY security, and we've had it for about 3 years now. Super easy to set up with your router. You just have to have it kind of close to your router before you install it. And then I just snaked the power cord through to my window so that it's safe inside, and it's been amazing. We have an app that comes with it that Nooie supplies, so I can keep track of all my different cameras. I like that it records for 7 days at a time if you do the subscription, which is like a couple dollars a month. It's not very much at all. And then what's really nice about it is when you go back through the app and say there's a video you want to save, you can save it to your phone. So they automatically delete after 7 days, but usually if something's happened, somebody's been messing with your house, you know within 7 days to go check the app. The night vision, the daytime, everything shows up very, very clear. You can talk through the camera. You can set off an alarm through the camera. You can turn the microphone on so you can hear what's going on. You can also take a picture and screen record right from the app when you're watching the live. Say something's happening at your house, somebody's stealing a package off your porch right then, you can record them live in action. This has been awesome. We're very satisfied with it. So Nooie's definitely the way to go. And that's my point of view.